Hi everyone. Let's be honest. The hardest part of PR is not pitching. It's coming up with campaign ideas that doesn't sound boring. Today, I am showing you how I use AI as a PR brainstorm partner, not to replace thinking but to speed it up. And trust me, you don't require any prompt engineering degree for this. So let's get started. Before we proceed, I just want to give you a quick expectation check. I want you to know that AI is great at generating angles, spotting patterns, turning one idea into 10, but there are also some of the aspects in which AI is not great, and those aspects include knowing your brand context, knowing journalists personally, and being subtle. Because these three elements are something that AI is really, really bad at. So, we use AI as our junior PR intern and not the boss. One rule before we start: bad input is always equal to boring ideas. If you type, "Give me PR ideas," you will get trash. We have to give AI the context and then ask for ideas. Let's see prompt 1. You can start by typing something along the lines of "Act as a PR strategist. I run a," and then you mention the type of company or business you own. "My audience is," then mention the target audience of your company and business. "My goal is media coverage in industry publication." Of course, here I have written media coverage, but if you have some other goal in mind, feel free to add that as well. Then ask the AI to give you 10 creative PR campaign ideas that journalists would find interesting. And once you get the list of 10 such PR campaign ideas, even if 7 are bad, 3 are still usable, and that's a win. Let's hop into prompt 2, which is giving you newsworthy angles. You can maybe start with "Take this product or service," and then describe your product or service briefly. Then ask the AI to generate PR angles tied to trends, data, opinions, or contrarian insights. Because journalists don't want product launches, they want angles. And this prompt right here forces the AI to think like them. The next prompt is to generate campaigns by media type. You can start with "Turn these ideas into data led stories," or "expert commentary angles," or "founder led opinion pieces," or whatever you want to create. This is how you stretch one idea into multiple pitches. This is prompt 4, which is beginner safety prompt. This one is actually gold if you are new. You can maybe start with which of these ideas are realistic for a small brand with no big data or famous founder. This prompt right here stops you from pitching like a unicorn when you are still a beginner. There are a couple of things that you must definitely avoid, which is copy paste AI output into pitches, send AI written emails blindly, or assume that journalists won't notice because they will, and they will notice immediately. Here's the flow that I personally use. I ask AI for ideas, and then from that result, I pick one or two strong angles. Of course, provide my human check, which is, "Would I read this?" and then write the pitch manually. I want you to remember that AI gives you speed, but you bring the taste. So if you want, I can share my exact prompt doc, a campaign idea spreadsheet, or a follow up on turning ideas into pitches. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and don't let AI write your pitches. Let it spark them. Thank you.